When you retire, your paycheck may stop, but your expenses won't. That's why understanding retirement income is one of the most important parts of planning your future. We'll walk through how to build multiple income streams, manage taxes, and help make your savings last throughout retirement. Retirement income can come from several sources: Social Security, pensions, savings, investments, or annuities. You may be able to turn those savings into reliable income that supports your lifestyle. Without a steady income strategy, it's easy to underestimate how much you'll need. Retirement income planning helps you plan so that you can cover your living expenses and maintain financial independence. The goal is to help make your money last as long as you do. Relying on one source, like Social Security, can leave you vulnerable. Diversifying your income through retirement accounts, personal savings, and possibly part-time work helps provide stability even when markets fluctuate. It's the same idea as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Timing matters. You can start Social Security as early as 62, but waiting until full retirement age, or even 70, may provide higher monthly benefits. For married couples, coordinating when each spouse claims can help maximize total household income. Once you retire, how and when you withdraw money from your accounts can make a big difference. One common approach some may consider is the 4% guideline provided by some financial professionals, withdrawing about 4% of your savings each year. Others use a bucket strategy, keeping some money for near-term needs and investing the rest for long-term growth. And don't forget about taxes. They don't disappear in retirement. Withdrawals from traditional 401ks and IRAs are generally taxable, while qualified withdrawals from Roth IRAs are tax-free. The order in which you withdraw from each account, taxable, tax-deferred, and tax-free, can help you minimize your tax burden and stretch your savings further. Many retirees make avoidable errors, underestimating expenses, not planning for longevity, or failing to diversify income. Start early, stay flexible, and review your plan regularly. Even small adjustments can make a big impact over time. Healthcare can be one of your biggest expenses in retirement, yet it's often underestimated. Make sure to budget for premiums, out-of-pocket costs, and potential long-term care. Planning ahead can help protect your retirement income from unexpected medical expenses. A strong approach to planning your retirement income balances savings, taxes, and spending, which may help you make more informed decisions for the years ahead. Keep in mind that market conditions and other factors can affect your actual retirement outcomes. To explore more retirement strategies and tools, visit westernsouthern.com.